1.1, question number 7. Now we are given a word problem here. The prices of 3 commodities X, Y and Z. So they have given the commodity X, the price is X, Y, the price is Y and Z, the price is small z. So the first line. The second line says, Mr. Anand purchases, sells. Two things are given. So for convenience, keep one to be negative and one to be positive. See, when he is purchasing something, he has to give money from his pocket. So purchasing means put minus symbol. And when he is selling something, he is getting money into his pocket. So when you read a word problem where it is given a combination of purchasing and selling, purchasing let us take minus symbol and selling let us take plus symbol. So Anand purchases 6 units of Z. So let me write here X, Y, Z. The first person Anand given, second person Amit is given. Amar is given, and the third person Amit is given. So Anand purchases 6 units of Z. So under Z I put 6. Purchasing means the symbol is minus. Sells 2 units of X. So selling means positive, so put 2. And 3 units of Y. So selling, so it is plus 3. So Anand purchases 6 units of Z, sells 2 units of X and 3 units of Y. The second person Amar. Amar purchases a unit of Y. A unit means it is 1 unit. Purchasing, so it is negative. Sells 3 units of X. So selling means positive under X. And 2 units of Z. So selling we have taken positive, purchasing negative. The third person, Mr. Amit, purchases a unit of X. A unit means 1 unit of X. Purchases means minus symbol. And sells 3 units of Y. Selling, so positive. And a unit of Z. So whenever they give you a unit, put 1. And by this way, they earn rupees 5,000. The first person is getting 5,000. So this is his earnings. Second person 2,000 and the third person 5,500. So all this is in rupees. So let us put the unit here. Now this is the word problem given and my question is prices per unit of each. That is what is X, Y, Z in rupees we need to find out. So when we read the word problem, first identify it as equations. Let us frame the equation. So this is X, Y and Z and this earnings I will put in the RHS. So what is the equation? 2x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to 5,000. Second equation, 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 2,000. Third equation, minus x plus 3y plus z is equal to 5,500. Now as we have 3 equations, let us write the augmented matrix AB. So how to write the augmented matrix? Writing all the numbers, the coefficients 2, 3, minus 6, 5,000. Second row, 3, minus 1, 2, 2,000. Third row, minus 1, 3, 1, 5,500. So this is the augmented matrix. Let us proceed to find out the rank of it. So for finding rank, we keep first row to be 1. Here the number is 2. So let me interchange R1 and R3. So what is the first step? Interchanging R1 and R3. First row minus 1, 3, 1. 5,500. Second row as it is, so it is 3 minus 1, 2, 2,000. Third row will be 2, 3 minus 6, 5,000. So first step is over. Now we need to bring zeros. So So what number is here? 3. Multiply all this by 3. So how will I write it? R2 becomes R2 plus 3R1. So let me write here. What is R2? Write as it is. 3 minus 1, 2, 2000. And I want 3R1. Multiply R1 by 3. Minus 3, 9, 3, 3 into 5500. So what is my answer? 0, 8, 5, 18,500. First row we write as it is. Second row what we arrive at? 0, 8, 5, 18,500. Third row. Here 2 is coming, here minus 1 is coming. So R3 becomes R3 plus 2R1. What is R3? Let me write here. 2, 3 minus 6, 5000. I want 2R1. Multiply R1 by 2. Minus 2, 6, 2, 11,000. 0, 9 minus 4, 16,000. So third row will be 0, 9 minus 4, 16,000. The next step. First column 1, 0, 0 is arrived. Whether it is plus 1 or minus 1 doesn't matter. I need to bring 0 here. So what should I do? Here I can multiply by 9. Here I can multiply by 8. So what is R3? R3 becomes 8R3 minus 9R2. First row copy as it is. Second row copy as it is. For third row, multiply all this by 8. So multiplying by 8 means 0, 72 minus 32, 8 into 16,000. Second row multiply by 9. 0, 9 8s are 72, 9 5s are 45, 9 into 18,500. I actually need minus, so change the symbol. So you can use calculator and multiply properly. 9 into 18,500. Minus 9 R2. So we'll change the symbol and 0, 0. Minus 32 minus 45, 128,000 minus 166,500, whatever answer we get. So you can use calculator and simplify the answer. 0, 0 minus 77 minus 38,500. Now what is row of AB? Non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. So that is 3. What is row of A? Hide the last column. Now also non-zero is coming. So row of A is also 3. Row of AB is also 3. So I will immediately declare the given equations are consistent and have unique solution. So the equations have unique solution. And we will go back to the equations. Putting X, Y, Z and this being RHS. So what are the 3 equations I get? Minus X plus 3y plus z is equal to 5,500. Second equation, no x, 8y plus 5z equal to 18,500. And third equation, minus 77z is equal to minus 38,500. The last equation I can arrive at z. So what is z value? Minus 38,500 divided by minus 77. Cancel, it is 500. Putting z value in the second equation. 8y plus 5, Z value is 500 equals to 18,500, or 8Y plus 2,500 equal to 18,500, or 8Y is equal to 18,500 minus 2,500, or 8Y is 16,000, or Y is equal to 16,000 by 8, that is 2,000. Once we arrive at Y and Z, put them back in the very first equation. Minus X, 3Y plus Z equal to 5,500. Minus X plus 3, Y value 2,000, Z value 500 equal to 5,500. 3 into 2,000 plus 500 equal to 5,500. Or minus X is 5,500 minus 6,000 minus 500. Or you get minus X is equal to minus 1,000. Cancel minus symbol. So X value 1,000, Y value 2,000, Z value 500. What is this XYZ actually? Price per unit item. That's how we assumed in the beginning. So price per unit item of capital XYZ will be the small xyz values. So X value 1,000, Y value 2,000 and Z value 500. So XYZ price per unit item, the small xyz values respectively, and that is the solution.